Noah! Wake up until I will sing of the goodness of God. Life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. Breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God.
I love your voice. You have
Made me to require
in the darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. And
of the goodness of God. Life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Sing of the goodness of God. It's running out for me.
your goodness
It's running out. It's running out for me.
with my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. 'Cause your goodness is running out. It's running out for me.
This is another side of Rizal Avenue. The jeepney is going to Bawang, Batangas. This is going to Las Andocs here, Palawan Pawn Shop. This is P. Gomez Street, going to Convention Center and Coliseum. I'm going to Provincial Capital at the right side. This is Field Trust Bank. You see, that's the jeepney going to Batangas City proper and going to Pier. So maybe we are riding here in this area. So yan po ang papunta sa market, diretso. Rizal Avenue of Batangas City proper. It's like in Manila, there is Rizal Avenue also. Then this is, see, that's going to the City Hall and the Plaza, and this one is going to the other side, going to SM. This is Barangay Poblacion. This is P. Burgos Street also. This is another side of the city going to City Mart in Batangas. Simple life of the city here.
150.
Ah, mahal. Wala nang mas mura. Ah, I like this building. This is Saint Bridget College here in Batangas City. And this one, it's nice building also. So ito po ang Saint Bridget College, Religious of the Good Shepherd.